On the road again. I'm gonna be on the road again. I did all that while not looking at the road. Pleasure dash cams. They are a necessity. Make it GoPros. GoPros are good. I thought about getting some. I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna get them along the list of getting stuff for the truck. I'm definitely getting some for that fucking Subi, dude. That's all both the Harleys. She doesn't like red, but she likes that. I love the color red. And purple. Dude, she wouldn't let me get my fucking 2019. No, sorry, it was the 2020 edition. They actually had it sitting there. Chevy Colorado Trail Box. You know, the one that comes with the headache rack? I do. Fucking told me no because the damn thing was red. But she likes the red that's on that Porsche. Ah, there's a jet. roll some coal with that Cummins? You've got enough power for it. I knew you were gonna do something like that. What the fuck? Did anybody look? No. Damn it. It's fun doing it through the park because they're all like right up against the park fence. Special going on.
Let's go wreck it. Let's go fuck it up.
Lay off the cheeseburgers! Holy fuck! What the fuck? Dude!
You just ran over some keys.
Shit.
Somebody lost their house keys.
Yep.
Yeah, you watched that.
You saw that, right? It was a fat kid walking down the street eating a cheeseburger.
That guy has a beautiful fit. Ooh, mine. Oregon.
Let's find a call this old Ford that's over here.
This one right here? Oh, right there? The red one?
Yep.
Yeah. Slowboat gray. Slowboat. So can I call that RV truck? Yeah.
No, a little Toyota.
Yeah. I call that big straight.
Oh, the Z71.
Yeah.
I was looking at one of those. It was white.
Oh, is this where you come to sign up for the military?
That section there, yes. Man, I'm fucking pissed. Well, fucker, you should have went pee before we left.
I was thinking about it. Well, you said let's go, so I said okay.
I said, Zach, you're gay.
Oh.